Hey, what's going on YouTube? Q, a Motor City man here with another video. Gonna do my first mod on the Mustang. Gonna be some exhaust, the H-pipe to be exact. So had a hard time finding somebody that would put it on, just because nobody wants the liability of hacking and so on the new car. But I found this place, the Muffler Man here in Troy, Michigan, and they did it for me with no problem, and they let me record a video of the install. So let's go and check on the car. Alright, so looking under the Mustang, it's the stock mufflers right there, and then this is the mid pipe that's going to be removed right there. So it's going to get unbolted from the front and cut off in the back. We're going to slide on the new Steeda H pipe. Yeah, they were friendly enough to let me come up under here. So this is the part that's going on right here. It's a Steeda H pipe. So we're waiting for them to install it. We'll be right back. So this is the aftermath. The pipes there, and this is the stainless steel H pipe right there. Went on easy. We had to cut it a few times to make sure it was even. It was a little more difficult than what it seemed. It goes all the way up here to the catch. Yeah, that's the stock stuff. New H pipe. It looks good. Yeah, that's it. So let's get it down, see how it sounds. And that's just normal. Alright, good job, Sam. Their information in case anybody wants to know. So this is before. And this is after. Alright YouTube, that's it with the H-pipe install. The reason I got it was because I wanted something deeper and not raspy like the X-pipe. The X-pipe is definitely louder, but I like the H-pipe better just because I like deeper sounds. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you all on the next one.